Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dia Ramadhani with study number 2341-2060 from the Accounting Study Program. Today, I will present a topic titled Characteristic of Management Control System, or simply MCS. Management Control System play a vital role in ensuring that all organizational activities, research, and decisions are aligned with the company's goal. In a rapid, changing and competitive business environment, management control is not only a monitor tool, but also a mechanism to align strategy, performance, and behavior so that the organization remains focused on achieving its long-term objective. Before discussing its characteristics, we need to understand what a management control system actually is. According to Anthony and Govindarjan, 2022, a management control system is a process by which managers ensure that organizational resources are obtained and used effectively and efficiently in the accomplishment of the organization's objective. In other words, MTS involves not only supervision and reporting, but also planning, coordination, and evaluation of all organizational activities. A well-designed control system ensures that the organization's strategy is translated into concrete action and measurable outcome. The main purpose of MTS is to make sure that the behavior and performance of individuals within the organization are consistent with the overall goals of the organization. There are several key objectives of management control system. First, to align employee behavior with organizational strategy. Second, to ensure effectiveness and efficiency in resource utilization. Third, to achieve performance target through systematic measurement and feedback. And fourth, to support managerial decision-making based on accurate and timely data. Therefore, MCS serves as a bridge between strategic planning and operational execution. Main characteristic of management control system: A. Goal orientation. The first characteristic of MCS is that it is goal-oriented. Every element within the control system must be directed toward achieving the organization's vision, mission, and strategic objective. For instance, a company like Unilever does not merely focus on reducing production costs, but also ensure that all business activities support its broader mission of sustainable living. H. A performance indicator and evaluation system should be designed in alignment with strategic goals so that each activity contributes meaningfully to organizational success. B. Integration with organizational structure. A management control system must be integrated with the organization's structure. Each organization has its own division of authority and responsibilities, so the control system should reflect its level of decentralization and accountability. Typically, control is implemented through various responsibility centers. Such as cost center, revenue center, profit center, and investment center. When well integrated with the organizational structure, MCS enable managers to understand their responsibilities and how their performance will be measured. Another important characteristic of MCS is the presence of a reliable and relevant information system. Effective control depends heavily on accurate, timely, and trustworthy information. Without proper data, managerial analysis and evaluation cannot be effective. In the digital era, many companies use performance dashboards to track key metrics such as sales volume, cost efficiency, and customer satisfaction in real time. A robust information system enables data-driven decision-making, which ensures effectiveness, and accuracy in management control. An effective management control system must include a feedback mechanism. Feedback provides management with information about whether actual results match the plan or target. If discrepancies result match the plan target. If the discrepancies occur, corrective action can be taken promptly. For example, if quarterly sales targets are not achieved, management can review marketing strategy or improve customer engagement effort. Fast and accurate feedback helps organizations maintain optimal performance and avoid repeated mistakes. MTS is also characteristic by the establishment of clear performance standard and measurement system. The standard serve as benchmark for assessing efficiency and effectiveness. Example of performance standard include sales target, productivity rates, profit margin, and various financial ratios. To be effective, performance measures should follow the SMART principles: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. With well-defined and measurable standards, management can evaluate outcomes accurately and implement improvement when necessary. An effective MTS should not be purely top-down, but should encourage participation from employees at all levels. When employees are involved in setting goals and evaluating performance, they develop a stronger sense of responsibility and commitment to organizational objectives. Moreover, MTS functions as a motivational tool, for example, by offering performance-based incentive or target bonus to individuals or teams that achieve specific outcomes. The aligns with Ms. Gregor's theory as Ontario and Herzberg, two-factor theory, both of which emphasize that motivation and recognition play a crucial role in driving employee performance. In today's dynamic business environment, a good management control system must be flexible and adaptive. Change in technology, regulation, economic conditions, or customer preference require organizations to continuously adjust their control mechanisms. For instance, during the COVID-19 pandemic, many companies revised their control system to focus more on cost efficiency, digital transformation, and flexible work arrangement. And adaptive MTS help organizations remain resilient and competitive amid uncontrollable and external disruption. The final characteristic of MTS is behavior orientation. A good control system does not only assess outcomes but also consider the behavior that leads to those outcomes. System that focus solely on number may encourage unethical behavior, such as data manipulation or misleading sales practice. Therefore, an effective MTS should promote ethical, responsible, and professional behavior. In this sense, MTS functions not only as a performance management tool but also as a mechanism for shaping a positive and ethical organization culture. All these characteristics are interconnected and collectivity determine the effectiveness of a management control system. If one characteristic fails, the entire system may become weak. For example, having strong performance standards without accurate information will make evaluation ineffective. Similarly, without proper feedback, an organization cannot assess whether its strategy is being implemented correctly. Hence, the effectiveness of MTS lies in maintaining a balance between structure, information, and human behavior. A practical example can be seen in PT Telkom Indonesia, which uses the balanced scorecard framework developed by Kaplan and Norton. The BSC evaluates performance from four perspectives: financial customer, internal business process, and learning and growth. Of this system, the can monitor the performance of each business unit comprehensively, assess its digital transformation progress, and ensure that all operational activities are aligned with its long-term strategic objective. This illustrates how goals orientation, feedback system, and reliable information are implemented effectively in modern management practice. To conclude, an effective management control system is characterized by several key aspects. It is goal-oriented, integrated with organizational structure, supported by a reliable information system, equipped with feedback mechanisms, equipped by clear performance standards based on participation and motivation, adaptable to change, and oriented toward ethical behavior. These characteristics work together to create a control system that ensures efficiency, effectiveness, and strategic alignment. By understanding and applying these characteristics, a manager can build a control system that not only sustain organizational performance but also foster long-term competitive advantage. That concludes my explanation. Thank you. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.